If you understand place questions but don't know what to say after your first sentence, this lesson is for you. Many students know the place name and don't know how to continue. This is very common. You're not alone. The good news is you don't need more vocabulary. You need one simple speaking pattern. Let's start with a real test-style question.
Where do you often go on weekends?
I go to the park. This answer is not wrong, but the examiner is waiting for more information. Try adding more detail here.
More detail? Like what?
Good question, Mia. Like, why do you go to the park? What do you do there? Things like that. Here is the pattern that fixes this problem. I often go to the park because it's peaceful. I usually relax there. Let's answer the question again using the pattern.
Where do you often go on weekends?
I often go to the park because it is relaxing. I usually walk there.
Where do you often go on weekends?
I often go to the mall because it is fun. I usually window shop.
Good answers. See the difference? That already sounds clearer and more confident. Repeat after me. I often go to the library because it is quiet. I usually study there.
I often go to the library because it is quiet. I usually study there.
I often go to a cafe because I like coffee. I usually read there. Repeat with Mia.
I often go to a cafe because I like coffee. I usually read there.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and answer.
Where do you often go on the weekends?
Now let's practice follow-up questions. These are very important in the speaking test.
Who do you go with?
I usually go with my friends. We enjoy talking together.
Why do you like that place?
Because it is peaceful. It helps me relax.
If you want to answer like this calmly during your test, practice with today's worksheet. Real exam questions, follow-ups, and model answers. The link is in the description. Remember, you don't need difficult English. You need clear patterns. Simple English is strong English. Clear answers score higher. Study with this channel, practice with the worksheets, and you will speak confidently on the Eiken Pre-2 test. I'll see you in the next lesson.